How to create an AOL account. So to create an AOL account, first you have to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, on the search bar, search for AOL. And here on the first search, you will have www.aol.com. Click on that. And now to create an AOL account, on the upper right corner, you will have login or join. Click on that. And now if you want to create an account, then click on create an account. And to create an AOL account, first you have to enter your full name. And on the next, you have to enter a new AOL email. It will suggest you the email. You can use this one. And then on the next, you have to enter your password. And after entering the password, on the last step, you have to enter your date of birth. And after entering all of this information, you can click on continue. And then you need to have a recovery mobile number. So enter your mobile number. You can choose the country code from here. And after entering your mobile number, click on send code. And now you will receive a code which has 5 characters to your mobile number. You have to enter that code and you have to click on verify. But if you didn't receive a code, then you can click here resend code, and then you will receive a code. It may take some minutes to receive the code. And after entering the code, click on verify. And that's it. That's how you create your account. You can click on done. And that's it. It was that easy to create an AOL account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.